to another video on a very warm and beautiful day. It is a Saturday afternoon. It's very warm, 29 degrees in central London. I am in Trafalgar Square. Welcome to Trafalgar Square. So it's a fun fact, this spot is the center of London. So any mileage you see on signage on the roads is measured from here. If you're going to Manchester, Leeds, Birmingham or Glasgow, so the mileage that you see is measured from this point. To confirm that this is the center of London, so this is the placard that it states that, see here, mileages from London are measured from the site of this original cross. So the original cross was built in honor of Queen Eleanor. Trafalgar Square has been a very important square, one of the very important squares in London. It is very famous with tourists, and there are some fun facts about Trafalgar Square that we will get to it shortly. If you don't know me, I am Hikmat from DestinationNmore. If you like the channel, hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss another videos like this, please subscribe and press the bell button. And here we go to Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square has always been an important square, important gathering point along the history for demonstration, celebrations, New Year's Eve, Eid ceremonies, and demonstrations, political demonstrations along this. This site has been existed since 12th century, but at its present form, it was established in 1844 in 19th century, and the designer who designed the square, his name was John Nash, and he redeveloped this square in 1844. At the center of the square there is this big and tall, gigantic column of Nelson Colum, which was erected in his honor of his victory in the war of naval war of Trafalgar and Napoleonic war against Spain and France. So this is guarded by 4 lines on 4 sides, and these statues commemorate his victories in different battles. So this is St. Vincent. Let's go around it. And this depiction is the War of Nile in 1798. The column is 52 meters tall, and the actual statue is 5 meters tall around the square. And this is the depiction of another war, the Copenhagen 1801. And these are the lines. The lines were added later, and it was designed by Sir Edwin Landseer. Another fun fact about Trafalgar Square, that it holds the smallest police station or police box. It is a record, and this is the smallest police station, but now it is just a storage. There. So this is smallest police station. It was built in 1926 to keep an eye on troublesome demonstrators in Trafalgar Square. It could hold 2 prisoners, or its main objective was to hold 1 officer inside this box. Here you go. So Nelson's Column is surrounded by 4 pylons, and on each pylon there is a statue of commemorating someone. So this one is Major General Sir Henry Havelock in 1857, and there is 4 pylons. Another pylon is that King George IV is on that pylon. And on the north side of the square we have the glorious National Gallery, which is free to enter, and that National Gallery holds more than 2,300 paintings, and dating back to 13th century up to 19th century. It is not a big collection, but it is greatest collection, and all these paintings inside includes some of the big names like Picasso, Van Gogh and Turner. So here we have 2 fountains just in front of the National Gallery. And that is the 4th pylon. 4th pylon or column, which has been empty since 1840s, and in 1999 it was commissioned to present contemporary art. And this time there is a melting ice cream, cherry on top, and a drone. I think the drone has got a camera which feeds live images. And this is the second pylon on the west side of Nelson's Column, and it depicts Charles James Napier. And on that side, that is St. Martin's in the Field Church, and it is surrounded by South Africa House on the south or east, and on this side is Canada, and this side is Canada House. And you have toilets, public toilets here as well. Used to be a cafe over there. I think it is closed now. Behind National Gallery there is the National Portrait Gallery, but now it is under renovation and it is all covered up. There is nothing. Let's go check here.
Then I think on the way back.
Nope, it is all closed. National Portrait Gallery is closed. How to get to Trafalgar Square is quite easy. On the east side, the closest station is Charing Cross Station, and on the north side, the another station is Leicester Square Station, and on west side, the closest station is Green Park Station. So I'm wrapping up from Trafalgar Square. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification button. So I will see you down towards Buckingham Palace on the next video. I don't want this video to get too long. So take care and see you. Ta-da!